I'm making a very simple vegetable dish that includes some potatoes, some squash. Here are my potatoes, flesh, yellow flesh, and some pumpkins that I have, cut in bigger chunks of cubes. I have tomato, I have sliced green onion, the leafy part of the green onion, the top part. I have sugar snap peas that I have, cut them into halves. I have some cilantro, or as you call it, coriander in UK. And I have finely sliced some white onions. I have chopped, cubed, diced, and I have sliced tomatoes over here, which I'm going to use for this recipe. And I'll get back to you with a list of spices. Also, do not forget, I have green peas as well. Frozen. Works. Alright, now it comes to spices. Let's see here. I'll take a piece of cinnamon. It's a good kind of cinnamon. Okay. Then I'll take a piece of star anise. Looks fabulous. Just for the smell, not for the taste. I'll take some cumin seeds. Say half a teaspoon. I'll take some cloves. Say 4 pieces. Take some black pepper. I have crushed, you can use whole if you want to, doesn't matter. Quarter teaspoon. Alright, this item is called as fennel. I'm going to use fennel seeds, not much, maybe 2 pinches. Should do the trick. It's going to bring in the yummy flavor. Not a lot of people use that. 1 pinch. And then the second pinch. Yeah, my hands are big, so, those pinches came out heavy. Alright, that should be good enough. I would say, again, half a teaspoon. Alrighty, now we'll move towards our spices. Let's have so, my average teaspoon is like this. And then my average tablespoon is like this. And then sometimes I use the ice cream spoon. Alright, get it here. Ice cream spoon. It's almost like teaspoon, but it's a little less. So, whatever you feel comfortable with. So I use my teaspoon. Alright, first item that goes in is half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Next item that goes in is half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Next item that goes in, a little less than 1 teaspoon. I would say this much should do. Of turmeric. Turmeric is the main essence in this. And last but not the least, a half a teaspoon of coriander. Now, almost forgot. This item is called as kalonji, so I'm going to be using almost a teaspoon-ish of the kalonji. That's all for the spices. Oh yeah, we forgot salt. There we go. Now we have salt. I'm going to use a tablespoon-ish of salt. Come on. Yeah, that's about it. It's Windsor sea salt. Iodized table sea salt. You can use non-iodized if you want. Speaking of salt, I've got Memories of Cecilia, coarse sea salt. This is also very good. It's by President's Choice. If you want, you can use this as well. A little bit. It'll bring taste. Alright. That's pretty much it for the spices. And don't forget oil and ginger garlic paste. One tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. See, I have a brand called as Mitchell's. The ginger garlic paste, pretty good. Open it up. 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons. Should do. Alrighty. This goes for the ginger garlic paste. I'll come back. Let's go to cinnamon, star anise, cloves, black pepper, cumin seeds, and a bay leaf. That's pretty much it. So I added some onions and some ginger garlic paste. A little bit of snow pea spelt, but that's pretty much it. I'm going to cook this for 5 minutes, give or take. See, it's starting to get a little translucent. The snow peas that accidentally fall into the pot, they smell really good. It's not actually a pot, but it's a pressure cooker. After 4 minutes, looks like this. It has turned perfectly translucent. The aroma is excellent. You see the translucence? At this moment, we'll add the tomatoes. Give it a good shake. Give it a good mix. And leave it for 6 to 8 minutes. Halfway through, we're going to use this. It's a potato masher, and we're going to mash our tomatoes very gently to help cook and unify everything in the pot. So after 4, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, after the mashing, the tomatoes and the onions look like this. Alright, I don't know if this is gonna work. Let's see. Yeah, this is nice. Heat for another 3 minutes, and then we're gonna add our spices, all of them. Now we're gonna add all of our spices. This is the curry leaves. It's optional if you want. Doesn't matter. Here goes all our spices, including salt. Give it a shake. Alrighty, we're going to add one more item before we add water. And that item is our green chilies. This is extra if you want. I use mild green chilies, not hot. Hot we cannot handle. And after this, we add the remaining of my sugar snap peas. I'm going to add at this moment my squash and the cube potatoes that we did. Yay! We're going to add our green peas. That looks amazing and it looks very tasty. Let's shake it up. Everything gets well incorporated. But after this, we won't be able to shake it up. Alrighty. Alright. I'm going to add 1 cup of water. That's more than enough. Shake it very well. Clean your hands, wash your hands. Very important step. Keep a rag around you at all times. And we're going to close this lid. Say 2 whistles or 10 minutes. I'm going to set it at medium heat and we'll come back in 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes or 15 minutes or so, it should look like this. The potatoes are done. Tastes really good. It's nice. Tastes really good. Now I'm going to add my green onions and a bit of cilantro on it. This should be more than good enough. Again, wash your hands very gently, like this. Otherwise you're going to smash everything in it, and you don't want to do that. Let's see if this potato is cooked enough. Wonderful. It's completely cooked. How about that pea? Yay, perfect pea. That's nice. You see how the potato is done on the center? That's what you're aiming for, my friend. That's how you make aloo ki sabzi. It's beautiful looking. Not hot. A little spicy, but not hot. It tastes wonderful. Serve it with fresh boiled rice. That's pretty much it.